हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप सब। तो टेक्नोबॉट is back again here with some more interesting videos. So basically this video is important for the college students. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So 5 useful apps which will save your time and are completely free. So here we go with the first app, Fireflies.ai. Now at times many of you have online classes or meeting session on Google Meet or Zoom, or maybe on other platforms, and some are facing the problem called Zoom fatigue or bored. मतलब कि कुछ लोग होते हैं हमारे जैसे जो आलसी है, लिखने का मन नहीं हो रहा. So for these reasons you are not able to take notes for that session. So this app will definitely solve the problem of yours. It will make the notes for you and automatically save it for the future reference. Just you have to do is sign in into the app and connect it with your Google Meet or Zoom or any other platform that you use. तो चलिए हम सेकंड ऐप की तरफ पढ़ते हैं. सो द सेकंड ऐप इज नोशन. This will help you to create your own calendar. So basically it has a project board where there are three different sections. First section is to-do list, second work in progress, and third work done. It also have many other useful features. So yeah, if you are a college student, just sign in with your college IDs and experience it. So now let us talk about the third app, that is hunter.io or rocketrich.co. So these are useful if you want internships in colleges or want to connect with the recruiters and don't know how to connect with them. As you know that LinkedIn does not provide the phone numbers. So basically these two tools find you the email of the people at particular companies. Rocket Reach is a tool where you can find email through the company name or the LinkedIn profile link. While in hunter.io or similarly you can find email addresses of the people working at particular company by just searching through domain name. But remember, in Rocket Reach you can only search 5 emails for free, but in hunter.io you can do as many as you want. So now let's move to the fourth tool, which is my favorite one, and the name of the tool is QuillBot. So basically this tool will help you with your assignments and if you want to be safe from the software called plagiarism. All of us know that we don't do assignment by ourselves. We just copy it from our friends. So our instructor says always that please write something different from others and don't blindly copy them. Then what to do now? Don't worry about that. Just open QuillBot, type the paragraph that you want to paraphrase and click the paraphrase button. You will get the paragraph in different phrase, but the meaning will be remain same and the syntax will be changed. So just use it and be smarter. Let's now move on to the last but certainly not the least, which is scripts.ai. Therefore, this application will be useful for when you are participating remotely in some crucial meetings or interviews. Thus, the question arises how. In essence, this technology will muffle background noise and make your voice clearly audible.
खत्म. बाय बाय. टाटा.